You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppets.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, smash the subscription button to join our beautiful family. And to my channel subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you and I don't take you guys for granted. So in today's video, we are going to be learning more about okra water, its health benefits, and most importantly, how to make okra water. To learn from it too and take 1 or 2 points from here, guys. So let's get into the video. It is a staple West African cuisine filled with nutrients like vitamin A, C, B, proteins, calciums, potassiums, iron, magnesium, folates, and others. In this video, you are going to learn the importance of okra water, its health benefits, and how to make okra water. Let's begin by how to make okra water. All you need is fresh okra and water. Number 1, start by washing the okra pods and cutting off the stems. Number 2, slice the okra pods in half. Number 3, place the okra in a jar or a large bowl and cover it with water. Number 4, refrigerate it. Let it sit overnight or at least 8 hours. Once the water has infused with okra and turned into a gel-like substance, strain the liquid through a fine strainer or cheesecloth. Lastly, add lemon or honey to add flavor. This is only for those who have sweet teeth, but you can also drink it without adding anything. Lastly, store the water into the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Some of the health benefits of okra water are: number 1, boosts immune system. It contains vitamin C and other nutrients that can help strengthen immune system and protect the body against infection, viruses, and diseases. Number 2 of the okra water benefits, it prevents constipation. The soluble fibers amount in okra can help regulate bowel movement and reduce symptoms of constipation as it acts as a natural laxative. Benefit number 3, it regulates blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or pre-diabetic, drinking okra water may help stabilize your blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. The fiber in okra water slows down absorption of sugar from your intestines and into your bloodstream, which can prevent sugar spikes. So guys, benefit number 4, lowers cholesterol. The soluble fibers in okra water can also help reduce harmful cholesterol levels in your blood sugar. By binding the bile acids in your gut, the fiber prevents them from being absorbed, forcing your liver to produce more bile from existing cholesterol, lowering your cholesterol levels. And if you are still watching this video, please give it a like and please subscribe. Remember to subscribe. So guys, let me highlight the health benefit of okra water. Number 1, it boosts immune system. Number 2, it prevents constipation. Number 3, regulates blood sugar levels. Number 4, it lowers cholesterol levels because it contains soluble fibers that help reduce harmful cholesterol levels in your blood. Also guys, okra water contains a high amount of soluble fibers, oxidants, and vitamins, which makes it a nourishing drink for our bodies. So guys, a cup a day is not harmful. Hope you have learned something from this video about okra, and if you have really enjoyed watching this video, please click the subscription button to become part of our YouTube family. So guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I don't take you guys for granted. Bye. See you all in my next video.
Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message for